Lisa with LABOTANICA Plant Magic. We bring you Costa Rican-inspired beauty formulas designed to nourish the skin and balance the mind. We're here to fall in love with the skin we live in, honor aging beautifully, celebrating our body temple. I want to invite you to join this plant magic experience and unveil your unfiltered beauty. Today, we're going to talk about one of our superhero products, Visionary Eye Elixir. This elixir of the gods depuffs and nourishes the delicate skin around your eyes while conditioning your brows and lashes. A 3-in-1, yes. How do we use this? The ritual is to place the roller on the outside corner of your eye and roll inward, creating an infinity sign passing around our third eye and brows. You can do it 1 or 2 times, night and day. Then we're going to use our non-dominant fingers to press and massage the elixir around our eyes on an upward motion, not forgetting our temples, our brows, our lashes, and tapping into our third eye center of intuition, massaging it clockwise, counterclockwise to release the tension we hold from frowning, and using our mind all day long, allowing ourselves to tune into our intuition and see the big picture. Let's talk about the plant magic ingredients in this beautiful brow and eye elixir. Sweet almond oil, coming in hot, known to contain large amounts of vitamins E and K that help skin regenerate and maintain elasticity. It's also known to reduce the appearance of skin imperfections and scars, leading to a balanced skin complexion. And it contains the marvelous squalene that locks in moisture, and it's also known to boost elasticity. Next, the calming, beautiful chamomile flowers. These tiny, beautiful flowers with nervine and relaxing powers have been used to heal wounds and mild skin irritations. Its aroma is known to promote relaxation in our skin and mind. They're also known to be a great anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. I love chamomiles. We're moving on to moringa. It's known to prevent and reduce wrinkles and blemishes and can firm the skin while diminishing fine lines and improving the overall appearance of the skin, soothing inflammation. Castor oil, we're here bringing our ancestral knowledge from the times of the Egyptians, known to depuff and help reduce dark circles under our eyes. This elixir cannot be complete without the power of frankincense, the king of all oils, known for its healing properties, supporting skin from sun damage and inflammation. Thanks to its cell renewing properties, frankincense oil is an ideal ingredient to use in our aging graceful rituals. Let's talk about some insider tips on how to use this. Use it as a brow and lash conditioner. Brows and lashes have hair follicles on our hair and they need to be conditioned and fed. So keep them nourished and you'll have beautiful brows and lashes. Don't use directly on lash extensions, but you can use this beautiful elixir in prep to your concealer as well to keep this beautiful veil of nourishment so your concealer does not cake or crease during the day. This beautiful plant magic is here to support your journey in aging gracefully. Remember to trust the journey and allow 4 weeks to see results. Your body's intelligent and it knows the way. Just give it time. Pura Vida. Thank you. Hola, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. We're in this plant magic journey to reveal our unfiltered beauty and trust the journey. Can't wait to see you again. Message us if you have any questions. Pura Vida!